How to know when your subscribers are active on YouTube. It is very important for you to know when your subscribers are active so that you will know the right time to post so that you can start getting views as soon as possible. There are times when your subscribers are not active, and if you post by that particular time, sorry to say, your video will not have views. And you know how discouraging it is when you post a video 2 hours, 3 hours, no views, or 1 or 2 views. That thing can be very discouraging and painful. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check when your subscribers are active so that you will know the right time to post, so that even as they keep swiping looking for videos to watch, your video will be among the videos they will find and they will click on it. Do you understand? So if you want to learn more about this, so guys, just keep watching. So guys, we are going to click on the YouTube Studio app. You click on it. Immediately you click on it, you'll see something like this. And then when you check the down part of it, you see dashboard, content, analytics, comment, and end. So we are going to click on analytics. Click on it. Audience. So you are going to click on audience. Click on audience. And then just swipe up a bit and you see when your viewers are on YouTube. I'm going to explain this to you, don't worry. You are going to understand everything you need to know. Now, when your viewers are on YouTube, just click on it to make it bigger. Click on it. And guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. First one here is M, which is Monday. So if you take a look at this place, we have few viewers, we have many viewers. Now look at the color we are working with now is purple. All these colors, they are purple. You can see this purple is not bright at all, very dull. This one means that they are not online at all. Then this other one that is following it also means that the viewers that are online, they are very few. Let's say out of 100, only 5, 6, 7 are online. Now look at the one that is following it. This one is a bit bright, and it shows that out of 100, let's say 50, 60, they are online. Now this one that is very bright, it means that most of your viewers are online, most of your subscribers are online. Out of 100, 90% can be online, 80% are online. Do you understand? So that is what it means. Now let's go back to the graph. Now look at, like I said before, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you look at the 00.00 from Monday to Sunday, it means that they are not online. That is to say, from 12 o'clock a.m., that midnight, to 6 o'clock in the morning, my viewers are not online. Yours might be different, so do well to check. So it means that my viewers are not online from 12 o'clock in the night to 6 o'clock in the morning. They're not online. Now let's go to 6 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Now if you look at Monday, this Monday here, 7 o'clock, my viewers are not online. From 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock, it means that just a few of them are online. Do you understand? A few of them are online. Now if you go to Tuesday, you will see that 7 o'clock they are not online. Then 8 o'clock, just a few are online. Then 9 o'clock on Tuesday morning, this one you are seeing here, it means that a lot of them are online. Do you understand? So if you go to 10 o'clock, you see that just a few, 11 o'clock, just a few, then 12 o'clock, most of them are online. Do you understand? So that is how it works. If you go to Wednesday, you will see that 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, my viewers are not online. So if you go to 10 o'clock, a few of them are online. 11 and 12, most of them are online. So that is what it means. So that, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So let's go to 12 o'clock in the afternoon to 6 o'clock in the evening. If you look at on Monday of it, you see that most of my viewers are online. That is for the third one here. Most of them are online. Now if you go to Tuesday, you see that Tuesday 1 o'clock in the afternoon, most of my viewers are online. That is why you are seeing this purple is very bright. Most of them are online. Then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, they are still online. You understand? Then 6 o'clock, they are not online. I don't know if you get. So if you look at Wednesday, some of them are online, like I explained before. So that is how it works. Let's go to 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock again in the midnight. If you look at it, 6 o'clock in the evening, most of my viewers are not online. Look at, you can see most of them are not online. So that is to say, for my own graph, if I post from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock in the night, most of my viewers are not online that evening. It's just a few of them. That's why you are seeing this purple line that is showing a bit. You understand? So the best time for me to post as a YouTuber is 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Do you understand? That is the best time. That is for me. Oh, that is what this graph is telling me. So I will advise that you also check yours to know the best time to post as a YouTuber. So for me, if I post 12 o'clock, my viewers are online 11. If I post 12, they are online 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will see them online and my videos are most likely to get views. Guys, I hope you understand what I just explained. If you do not understand, ask me on the comment section. I will explain better to you. Thank you for watching to the very end, and I will also advise that you check yours too to know when your viewers are active online, so that you will know when to post your videos. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please help me share this video, help me like this video, and drop a comment for me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.